Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first let's just open the settings application and then scroll down to advanced features. After that, scroll a little bit more down and tap to screenshots and screen recorder section. Then you'll see here the screen recorder settings. And now just to turn on or turn off the screen touches, we should click here once on the switcher to show taps and touches, and to turn it off we should click on the switcher once again. And that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should open notification panel, and after that somewhere here we should find the screen recorder icon. Just to activate this settings, hold for a while this icon, and after that by this way we can also turn on or turn off the screen touches in screen recording on our Samsung Galaxy device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.